Nkatho cia mwanya mutegeri gwita na mbere na kurumira mubango jujujwa kugukia tucokerete twethire tugigutara na kinya gukureba nikenda wethira ugita ngugine cia kunyuma ya rwaria ruru wethire ukunurite mathuganio jaku bururu na ntuko ya narwa turiaririria muno mantu jegie utoro bwaku bwa ruju bukariatia mbuga mtu uga kesho nitafanya kesho kuko hivi ende utethairwa ukichimenya wewe ngwa ruju rwaku ni mbioyo ira tuitana mugambo jwa chomba Destiny na wagututwariria kwariria rwaria ruru otiongi ende ni mugeni okwa wagitio munen wagitio bonene aura withiritwe aginkuria agikirundu kana ethra aki guide oni Maureen Kinya mukereteri onteto nikenda mbithirwa ngikura bubwega ndene ya uturo bwakwa aria ona buruburu Maureen atigwita bubwega akambita kando akambira Maureen umenye ni ukuthukia destiny yaku na ndina oni ndona ntithirwa ngigwata mantu jaja ninka kamwite nikenda kinya ugwa wethirwe ukiritano mantu jaria ethiritwe akinditana ni pastor kwa etagwa Pastor Eric Nkunja na nkamunenkera kanya nikenda ethirwa agintroduce wewe ngwa nikenda ethirwe agitumenyithia mantu jaria jonthe ethairwa akithithia no wethirwe uri na kamwanya ukauga no wengeta kenda atwariria gutungi ni Pastor Eric wethirwe uri na team building no kwenda kwethirwa antu baku bariti ngugi bakiarirwa ukethirwa kimwita nikenda ukona already ngugeku ekwithirwa egichinchia bonene etana naoni ekinya wekinya kiri mutando jetu jwa Facebook turi live tonya ndene ya Weru TV oto engage oria pastor wetu kioria amwe na kinya kiri mutando jetu jwa SMS 23578 ori na kioria kiriwe no mwize no kwenda mukethia kaka niko kanya gaku Bwana asifiwe.
Amen.
Gochuragia nkaguketha kethia. How will I start? All right. Aya kethia mutegeri umwire ugore u imbio yongo thithagia mbere twambiriria rwarire turantukana rwa pastor.
Thank you Maureen Kinya, our daughter in the church na mantu nejama ingija maisha jetu mutegeri wetu. Good morning. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Mbita wa Pastor Eric Bidairwa de pastor aria kansene ya Maureen World Harvest Christian Church Nkobu and Bishop Dr. John Weston baba wetu aria kansene yetu mwana bombe dairwa ndi mwalimu bitanaga Egoji Teachers College o antwara ndathomere kwa mwalimu with the time ndachoka gwitana kenda bikira antu inya ba motivate mbonia otekuraja gutekinyeka kando na kwetha ndi mwalimu na pastor bithairwa nkiala iriantu bitaga machukuru kuritana leaders kana tongeria ma prefects bitaga makanisene kwariria ikundi ona atongeria ba makanisa ladies men youth all together imbithagirwa nkithiria team building activities to Maureen yauga cia leaders kana workers kinyaba companies all around tukabaitana how to lead well nora bombo kuria ngugi ciao ira baitaga. So Pastor Eric is a package of many things put together.
Utatu kwetera no andikite mauku kana urenda utugwetera ndera muthiene.
Pastor Eric is an author na andikite mauku jaidi na mauku jau yaritie mono about destiny. Riu kweja gwetwaja kware mantu jegie destiny katwira irina yetu kamili. Yes.
Na ria tukwariria destiny kana utoro bwaku bwa rujo future.
Yes.
Aria mtu aria atitherwa muno akimenya destiny ni mbio yongwa mbuga kwa kiufupi no ethire ugitwira na migambo very easy uria tumba kumenya destiny mbio.
Okay, kintu kigitagwa destiny rietwa gichunku no tu swe meaning yario kinya kuma bibiliane.
Yeah.
Destiny ni mubango jwa Mulungu jwegie muntu mbere ochiarwa wijandhiguru iji haria wachiarirwe kwenu egitarira wachiarirwe sex area wachiarirwe nayo boy or girl kwena mubango Mulungu ari naju na uturo bwaku twinde twejere ndiguru neji with a reason.
Yeah.
So destiny i reason igitumi gya kwija gwaku igitumi kya guciarwo kwa Morini ri nimbi igitumi gya guciarwo kwa Pastor Eric ri nimbi na tiontu bumenyekanaga openly ni uno ntu Biblia yuga yukunere mutumiria chapter 3 verse 11 ekauga he has put eternity in the heart of man nekite ruju rwetu nkorone cietu lakini bakaiba menyaga yes so destiny ikira Murungu abangite wija kuthithia tukone cia kwira wina cio aja ndiguru yes
na nontu wauga untu bubu tethairwa buri itakabure withone na ate mtu akamenya menya ate of course ani untu kethira ngochiarwa ngokinya sukuru ntikumenya mbuga inya ikariere kungatonya na ate ankoria Murungu imbio yongwa oni mori no mbangirite
okay
kana mutegeria abangirite
a very good question na ibiuria turagwo mono kinyara tugweta weekend challenges mashukuru ria tukwariria young people imborerwe ntakwira omenaria holidays chonde itwetaga anto babethi tukathithia seminars nabo mono bara bomete South Imenti Tigania West batuonete tukethithia mecemano teu kira twinganaga na kyo mono ikwenda kuonia muntu mwithi ena ruju ruju rwakarumenya atia like you did well to ask this question here ruju rwaku plan yu Murungu enayo na maisha yaku womba kumimenya kukurukira kuthoma rutatu rwa Mwathani because Murungu niwe source yaku kukethirwa ukamenya reason ya maisha yaku no chokere ki source yaku nonto it is in the source where the answer is ukeja kumenya Murungu ukwambia kumenya mantu jonde rutatu rwa Murungu irugaga atiri the secrets of the Lord are with those who fear him barabakirite Murungu mantu jaraje withone kire antu bangi bakajamenya kuna njira nyingi muno chomba kumenya chombo gutethia muntu kumenya kire Murungu endaga nawe na maybe nkadelve kidogo kando na Bible no nkuire kauntu fulani everybody omuntu wonde ora Murungu ombete no ri moyo na igagwa ndene yawe kwe ka feeling kakaraga ndene ya muntu ka feeling kakuga atri uni impendete onto bona nonto life is spiritual muntu ikiumbe kina part ithatu wina spirit wina soul wina body kiranto bonaga imanto jana body kuthithia gutwe wonaga boria spirit ikuthithia gutwe wonaga boria soul ikuthithia so spirit yaku inithairwo ina feelings soul muntu desires na nigagwa I think Morini ogitaga ngugi ya journalism nigagwa kauntu dene kuko kwira atiri aja neo
kwina ka satisfaction kara muntu ethairwo enako ukauga mbuga ntiko pinga mono ukauga mbuga ntikona mbete ira ndindirigira kana utoro bwakwa bukariujo ende thaira ndathoma news thaira ndi TV ne I am satisfied
no withiro tikuona intobiri antu bakuga ni atari lakini the inner self ni go sense you in the right place ibonto tugere Ecclesiastes 3:11 ni kuga God has put eternity in the heart of men nekite ka uumba ni frande ne muntu ni igagwa ndi on the right track or not so rira nkuunjiri antu rira nkutara babethi kana tongeria bara tukuitweta gotrin twitite kuthiria mauntu jau travelite na ngari twitite na ndege twitite na maguru gwita guntu ku in us kwe kauntu katwiraga you are doing the right thing that's one of the ways of knowing destiny yakuniriku there is a voice dene ya muntu imwiraga ugwe ugeta gwitana antu you can be happy akamwalimu ongia kaigwa enda kwa nurse enda kwa daktari a long time ago indendeta kwa daktari lakini ndathima nkaiwa i situation ciatumaga mpenda kwa daktari kaunti ku katindene
ndendete kwa sister nani
sister wa Catholic. Okay ugatwirwa tugwita nenda gwetire, but the reality is kwe ka feeling mtu igagwa kinya bara betita university no witirwe course lakini wakinya first day ya lecture ukaigwa ibakawa nka business manager nka maybe a counselor nka maybe an engineer lakini ukaigwa ikitu aiko yes so you can sense from inside imbue liking for what is it that you desire. Kuna kenya mtu wanto bwa ojo abwa pasta na alionekana hata pasta lakini wengwa na agent pasta anto aba kuuga lakini ndene kwa diwa wonde mu biashara so many people have gone jira chiri anto bendaga bora chari baugaga bora chore bakuba gukwira lakini ndene yaku ndene imbiu biga kwa wabwa pursue that one. Yes.
Pastor kwe mtu gukuria kethira kinya vulnerable children kana ana bara bamitaene ibethera bari no turu baruju kana destiny.
Tuambiri na kuga atri anybody created by God uti uchiarwa accidental omwana wonde oro chiara wake jandi guruiji na ruju rwawe i bright Mulungu abangite turekeria na glorification. Ukathoma Romans chapter 8 verse 28 with that mono 29 and that you have those God for anew but I mbere he predestined araba bangira kire abaka those he predestined he called arabeta kirwe those he called he justified araba theria and then he glorified. Mwisho jua safari ya mtu wonde orindeguru neji ibuete kurekeria na glorification. Kinyoke dhiri matunda kwendia yabuete kwendia ukarekeria na glory ukajendia at the highest level. Kinyoke dhira ni warimu witana nursery class ubuete witana ukarekeria na glory ubuete kurekeria with the glorification. So ute mtu ute na destiny. Yes.
Destiny ke kuizania kwa mwena ngugira mtu athithagia ndene uturo
ike tukugaga atri muntu aga choose biraka pasu kunya na ka feeling kare
kawe
kare kendene no kagwikie biasharene no gakurira no na ukaikyo wejete kuthibia ungi no ikwika yonto ka ushibitari aka daktari na aka glorified the area.
Na kwa tuika kinyama uturo jantu nija kugaruka kumane na ngugire okuthithia.
Very good.
Aya na ndia tutegere ni mbio yongwa yumba gutuma mtu akaremwa gukinyira destiny rewe.
Okay, kuna very many things si gwitanguge antu au kwa kuangalatania mubango jo Mulungu. Nonto okeja kuthoma rugono rwantu baba ingi muno tuonete kinyake the contemporary world. Look at people like Ben Carson. Ben Carson achiarerwe in a very poor family. Nyina ari muntu okuraga nguo jachianto. Ithe ari barabwetaga deadbeat father. Muntu ogwekera muntu eu akaora na akaethia akarimenyekana. Nyina Ben Carson amenyere the father na ari na mwekurungi kungi na ari na working family lakini aterete this lady. So mwana toria ari thokire destiny yawe kid confusion cia manto yegie family mwana aguciaro bwega Mulungu na mubango nawe lakini akugwanjare ne cia parents wa not careful. Ndiraigwa bishop wetu ntukwe mwakiuga that kwiro baba we arongamire in his right mind agote muntu geta shukuru nje. So apparent like that akeja akaugote mwana okathoma kara kai pilot
katea
akaera pilot na utemia okurombera narua wa pilot no witire cukuru wathoma bwega wakuruka sciences na mathabu na urite cukuru embega so environment yeku no wite no chiarwe a place anto bate careful anto bate kuona no ubwegintu no wite cukuru ari mo bate careful mwarimu arija klasi ni ore akwenda arija akagwa klasi kimbita na ganto bairi akeza akaigwa kainywa teku akagwa naruo twagwitana uri aja so kwi mtu uri au arindi kuruke thabu kana chemistry aka somebody lakini mwarimu wawe araurania noe akia mtu maana lakini arasema na arimu bo mweta ogwa we mtu useless bo mweta kirenge kirasini ogwo tikyo gwata mathabu tikyo
otombo bwaku isubu
otombo bwaku no churu araga muntu kumumotivate so environment moringa wiche biblia ne ke parable of the sower bego ira inya Jesu arairia no tuchiete ndojo chiantu kwe we wagwire are akajoku inyoni oryo na tagintu kwe wagwire are akainyiru imigwa aramutango imigwe kwao migwa ya ntobaraka na yanabo na araraka kuma gintu na kwina bakai nonto imbego imwe ya itere good is like 25% but environment ifevaga ni bono nto kiure gyaku gya kuruira ruju ki very relevant in this talk nonto mbego no igwe miwene ne karuira ruju rwayo ne kauma yes so environment is one of the things yomba kudhokia destiny ya muntu environment is diverse kinya kanisa era muntu etaga no wita kanisa inye utiko motivatwa utikuona kinya muntu succeed ando bakunje bakiwa kithomo to everything kithomo it everything lakini it is something yes utemia kwera muntu this generation that murungu agagukiria inye dorote thomi mwire atiri kuyogo gakinya kathomo kendekane yes utita ome Kenya utikumenya kwaria gichunku
true
na ikithomo gikiririko kiriau uti a piloti utithomete yes
no utikurukite bwega ugai mwathani weja naga grade no weja naga grade lakini akiri uwe nayo no michukumere yite grade yes kana mwathani atitumaira njara yangwete kuona gintu
ni uongo because no tuge ni is partly true partly false utibwite ku face life na dimension imwe maisha yena tujira tu twinge tukugitira nayo so kaethia eti inheritance yake can make you great kuri antu mbije when we were growing up one guy erere muchari wawe besha chaweta secondary interaction umpendu gure biashara besha ile by the time to form 3 nduke wene ariye kwambia kuthira batu itwakale akatoguta time skuru ya twathomaga antu bakiona gitugwita miaka ena but after 4 years today is 2025 maybe over 15 years later things have happened nora warire biashara waejukirie fees ya rugura biashara ntigwitikia torunga mawe amwe na arua ki destiny journey so environment na kila mtu akarakigagwa it can really alter or make your destiny become a reality. Yes.
Akiri mantu jangurano ni jatonyera destiny ya mtu?
Au nkamika ki choices kwi mtu umba kuchemuni nawe ugaparara no withire ugo wari iburo ntukwero ndatumite mbicha ingi yaringitwe ya avocado ikiumirite rwangine rumwe rimwe riori rikagwatana na jangi ja live jara jari ja mega jarendelea kuora no ntubari riri kuori no uchigwatania na mtu utio destiny marriage is not just marriage kugurana te tibora is a lady na is a man bugetane nawe na ndibuga ka family
tuikimwe
no kinya boithire buga ka family lakini you are not fulfilling destiny I have seen kinya ke ministry ukona kirorio murungu ukomba kudhuja mantu akera mtu hugwe kwi mtu watere unwe wale wa destiny kanongia kero uko kwi mtu wiwathanirie nawe maisha yako arayagita nusu maybe uwo wari engine 3000 urajokia ya bikibiki 150cc na ndi aria murungu aria agwikie utakinya maybe maybe utendea ndabeta ndeu lakini ukwangurano no ntumire maisha yako gukwira no ugure muntu agatuma ogeta guntu uteta yes the wife I married bicha ira ikuoneka ke maisha yako thaiji now play 70%. Yes.
Mukethini.
Makena Eunice, wherever you are a big blessing.
All right.
Yes.
John Nesbit kuma rutere rwa Facebook ariuga great show here. Kuri nongeo gwetwa Jeremia Japheth ariuga salimia pastor sana tuko huku na yeye. Kuri na Irenias Mwirigi ariuga salimia pastor Eric na umwambie tunampenda sana.
Thank you.
Pastor Eric toko gweta mantu jarajomba kuringithia uturo bwaku bwa ruju.
Yes.
Kwina mtu kana mutegeri uri aria nategerete uturo bwawe amenya thaizi uturo bwaku ibwangaratene buru kinya destiny ijo kumiaririria ntije nkambiriria ko kenda mbuga murungu antethia mpomba gukinyira mtoto umba kumwira ati akambiriria ko
Maureen mpandikite yukwaja retagwa rebranding yourself for destiny achievement kuribrandi kuthithia atia urona ngari nkuru ikitwe garage ikathithwa panel beating ikaugirwa rangi kairi negacoka njirene no timenya ni kuri no wone nyomba ya dilapidated ya maybe ya tiganiritwe a long time mtu akeja akamigura akamithambia fresh igakwa rangi ikathongoma muntu ro kuthugane na tete destiny na maisha yao ijangara tene na jathuka no aribrad no achitire ngugi kairi
agacherugia
no achierugie na kurarari atete njira no achoke njirene. Allow me give an example of somebody I will not mention her name is a friend of mine. This lady arikia form 4 na make a choice agurwa na kugurwa mturo mugurire maisha jawe ya the lady je nama mwankambia kwendia mithere thoko kwendia mithere thoko te wrong. It is only wrong for the person who should not be there. Arachithirwa na ogerere ecweria kakwendia into thoko nama atukuthinki level etewe ambie cooperate maisha ya tijawe. She thought otherwise. Athogani I will change my life. Achoka university. Eta University of Nairobi. Mwanka arenderwa are deputy wa Babu Owino. Who was the president wa Aritwara University. That lady, the last time I saw her, ikigorano kiria kwewa ibangirewe arona aja ngutaya time tiakwa nguthukia maisha jakwa nkuinyirwa aja nguritwe. Today I saw her working na president.
Wow.
She was in the market. Market ya Gweto Maua town. Ashimbrandi. Narwa ngarira gwitithia tutiariria andu baragucemania nabo tutiariria what is happening to this person rebrand maisha yake no withire kunyoto nyene na nchobi mbogitaiji wanywa kinya bangi wachithiro gwithirie maisha kabisa wachithiro na antu barote batikwira winabo one choice. You can make a choice today na uge I won't be this way. No change maisha jaku. A second example is a lecturer of mine. No ndimwete kinyari toria is Dr. Mburuko Kanata. University of Embu. One time atulire atiri agitwitana Mount Kenya. Ahitanaga Kageta Girls. Arona kebao bila biekagwa byo kuga no parking. Ki Antoana aragitegero for a long time kirambia kumwariria kiraumuka kwariria ngari kirano ege kwariria ambio choria how long have you parked here you have been parking in this secondary school for a long time get a transfer arachikia Meru Teachers College kuma warathithia masters athithia PhD from Kangeta Girls, a teacher there. Today, he is one of the directors. Utege gazeti riaba kuthithia graduations, University of Embu, is one of the faces there. Ni ate mtu athithirie, he rebranded himself. So, Maureen, kinya kuthori mwalimu. tugire glorification ukarikiria aria nursery ukarikiria aria primary kinya secondary ute the ultimate kinya university is not the end you can still rise you can rebrand yourself no get to the point of your glory. Yes.
Kuma kiri SMS 23578 salimia pastor sana. Muulize ni aje mtu anaweza kupata support system poa wa kumwezesha destiny yake ikuwe sambamba.
Okay. Now support systems ziko.
Na mentors.
Na mentors wako. And I am a product of mentorship. I'm a product of mentorship. One of the best places to find mentors, not to create platforms, it is in God. Muntu akeja kuonoka, na katumekira Mulungu. There is a way God will bring you to the limelight. There's a way God will connect you to people. Ndi kuonoka 2006 December. Undari muntu antubara bakombona na bambije bana bagwetu ntureta wakalimantiri mawa town they can tell you who Eric was before 2006 tware tu maboys jaraja kawaida tuwekara meguto nusu tuwekara tugepa tutegeta ndejingi
mayoyo
tukire ya maisha yetu go as young people but when I give my life to Jesus ndirono kundira tonya church kanisa yetu nturene Kalimantiri MCK those days people liked me oranko bainithia orango tumiria when a chance is there na bauga we can help this boy help us will see you better Mulungu akumurikira so no should help us yes no gachemania na bamwe manipulators a lady because of your beauty kunjamega kora no nkuthomithie but at the exchange of what rira we already twinawe na maybe na mwekuru or maybe atebangite okugura maybe akuwistre maisha yaku lakini in God ugachemane na help abauma muntu ringithitwe ni Mulungu akawa can help this person. Number 2, every environment you find yourself, be sensitive. Yes, be sensitive because helpers are all over the place. In the Kanaga one time, they are Krangondu boys. I used to teach there. Some pastors came to preach. In this show, you might have hosted a pastor called Bishop Imoro. Arejan took we mama keunjaya, but on a big trouser white. Na black shirt, they are very smart. Although I was beaten, broken, dismantled by life. Na barawa kejana giki, kwikinto kidene yawe, we can mentor him. Na baranjokia. Banjokiri in the environment, nandera betikia. And I followed them. They may not have done a lot, but kumbariria a statement of we trust you can become. No mbuge ni antomama Mulungu atumire bagotoma this man I believe in himself. So be sensitive. Morini kinyaja witagangugi. No ko host mtu aja. Ukedra we sensitive after the show I'll shoot up. No with the wengarine bukara ya na mtu tu au getene ukedra we sensitive bukia lagia bo exchange contact rojo akaiwa destiny lifter. No, we're way on a platform like what we are doing today. Muntu agatoa na agatoenda. Na kwa pastor tuenda kumukiria. Kiale kiu kitoko morin tuenda kupromote. So be sensitive in every environment. Help us out there. Yes.
Na hata mtu akombana ande ku guard destiny we.
Very good. Nindi no to destiny precious re. Na yento ikiuraga. Trona anto kinya bibiliene. Muntu ta Samson. Mulungu akiariria ngina nethe abere bogachi ala nchamba. Ere konokia rurijo rurwa Israeli. Na tugiro chiaragwa we na reason. Kwikinto batere kuthithia in this life. Rujuru nontorwe precious. Rokarie from thieves. Na njira imwe gukaria is by making right choices. Because kwikinto kimwe morini Mulungu atigera muntu. Na kwere opportunity to make decisions. Njobi itithuki.
Nithuki wa pastor.
Njobi itithuki in its entirety. Chobere otira migoro kunura unywa. It is neutral.
Okay.
You make a choice. Ukamigura na mbia chiaku. Ukarugura. Ukanywa. Wanywa tukona effect.
Okay.
Mirembo injirene na haja. Tin destiny wasters. Muntu no geta ayochwe. Ete na juba thithie meia. Meia ne jaria. Atere destiny yawe ariku.
Au.
Wigwe muntu akiwa men are evil.
Dogs.
Okay, some ladies are devil angels. Anga njobi ne kudhoki antu. Before you cast those things, start with the choice. Mungu amekuachia opportunity ya kuamua. Uliniita hapa leo na nilikuwa na choice ya kuja
ama kutokuja.
Umeniweka hapa tuongee. Niko na choice ya kuongea right things or wrong things. Destiny Murungu akwenda wokeria. Nomba mwetu michome aja narua. Is a choice. You see? So you have opportunity to make choices. Umepelekwa university. Umechangiwa na watu. Ukaingia pale KU. You have a choice. Roiro campus wa mwoma mage lecture time. Urege weta class. Wa mwe urume arimu. It is a choice. So be careful with the choices you are making. God is not liable to your choices. Wa make maamuzi ya tebui. No wenaku. Wa make jagirite. Well and good. Utone Biblia nere. Genesis 39. Verse 8. Muntu weta Joseph akiuga atri. Potiphar's wife. Impeiro that wa into bikini ugombiri nkaringithia. So ndina choice ya kunywa juice, ya kuita yogurt in the fridge. Lakini ntiairo that wa kuringithia. This woman wanted them do something. Lakini augere ntithithia. A choice. Arija kuthithia onto kweria. Destiny yawe ethirira wara bedroom ya Potiphar. Lakini onto choice, I won't sleep with you. We saw him shining. So choices chiaku determines how your destiny will end. Wa make wrong choices. You have yourself to blame. Yes. Kure anto bije to athomaga abo shukuru bare material. Lakini barakwata si minus. It was a choice. We are the same teachers, a very good institution, tukirija boyega, but you chose to waste it. So it's up to you. Yes.
Ngitegera kiri rutere rwa Facebook kuri na kare aja getagwa Doris Gatwiri kandikite notes. Kandikite aja ariuga life is guided by choices. Following powerfully. Na jangiza kethirwa za kithingateria u ngitegera kiri SMS 23578. Hi Maureen, say hi to my mentor Pastor Eric. He has really helped me in the journey of life. Miss Stephen Mutweri from Nairobi.
Wonderful Stephen, God bless you.
Tukirikiria na ndino ntubwa kagita itha retu ari guturinga chenga. Migambo ekwe muthia. Mbuga ukituririkania kairi mantu jara withairo kithithia nontu imbize kwina bangi bakenda kugwita nyuma yaja ubaririe menya thairia destiny ekuye kwerekeria TV ne konania kwina antu bakubati gukuonera aja kenda bagwita.
Okay. So my parting shot would be Maureen, generation in area tuli and to be very careful. Nentobira byomba kuya rojo rwaku. Mono choices you. And mono kwa choices and to be careful na kinyama utumiri bwa social media. Because social media is a blessing and it can be a curse. Kure antu ndaitanaga onto batha kamono. Kantu ndaitaga dopamine addiction. Dopamine ni ka hormone kanga karaga brain ne chieto. Ketawa the pleasure hormone. Katumaga muntu akagwirua. Ria wona ogwirua kento kauka kareka irua in your brain. Ni pleasure. Tukenda utura maisha ya kuwiria mwiri. kuigwiria na social media ukara uthekete au TikTok the word uthekete au Facebook itu video turatukwija ukathukia rujo rwaku na pleasures. You can restrict yourself. Ute desire itumba wikirwa mianka. And we say all these things in many forums where we meet people. Imbugirende mwalia.
Yeah.
Kiri many platforms. Imbita kwa makaniseni. Rimwe before Sunday kana Sunday after service. Nontu mono wala World Harvest Church. Ito nangugi nene. Mostly Sundays morning hours is tricky. Na lea tuona chance kwa liliantu. We will keep motivating them. We will keep inspiring them. Itugere tuandikite mauku. I have 2 books with me. Yukule uleta wa rebranding yourself. Kagusi kau. Ikagwaroka kakasimba. Kamto kanini. No kae mtu atari mono. If you work on yourself. Tuna yukule ingia alikuwa limantu ya destiny journey. Tuikite ndala chao ya kukuonia you can cross anything and reach your highest points. I am also a counselor in Domerete counseling kabisa, a master's degree in Mount Kenya University. I'm enrolling for my doctorate this year. Nontunguitikia manzo ya utarantu through counseling is a very important ministry. Nebati kuthithwa all round. So when vijana bukuona bateweta boega, when ngurano kuona teweta mzuri, you can invite me, you can look for me. My contact will be shared.
Tunenkere contact watu rate will be shared.
Alright.
Tunenkere odhai tuandike.
Kwa dimo 0713 0713 786 920. So mtu akandingira na mbeu for counseling. Tumefanyia wanafunzi counseling hata many places. Obama chukuru chadi bakaleta in my office. Tukaharia na bona bagachoka na manto yageta bwega. Counseling chia family, we do them still in our offices. I'm a KCPA certified counselor. Yes, so ukawe I pastor ka counsel na pastor ki professionally and in a license ya kudithia counseling na kinyarira twara iriantu twaragia with authority. So ito thingata sheria chionde cha counseling. Na mantu ya pastor tutiaria mono. I am an ordained pastor. Kote mbirembe ya nakora na arua. Deja nakora am an ordained pastor working with the Bishop Western pale Mkubu. Our church is just on the way. Mbele otonya Mkubu, you can become part of us.
Police station.
Good. Au Kwena police station, you can be there. Na ukadhari mwamona bagutwi.
Aha, ibwega sana pastor. Tukwirwa turikirie kagita getu ikathirite buru kenda mubango jujongi ajwithira juki twejerera. Everything is free but not everything is beneficial. Eu ni pointing ira wethro kigweta neu Nesbit agotwira. Jeremiah Japheth netite nambere kuga pastor, you are a blessing to us this morning. I'm personally built up. Doris Gatwering karega kugojo akankunya arimbira wa presenter looking so elegant, they are dressed by Bliss Collection. Asante sana Doris. Kwina mtungi ukurite kiuria kia pornography pastor. Kuringana na uria kiomba kwithura gikithukia mathuganio jaku na kinya kugitira maybe destiny yaku. Unaweza tuguzia na sekunde moja tuthirie buru.
Now pornography is a site that is made ekuthukia maisha jantu. Because kareta gintu tweta brain rot. Ukambia kuona ga ladies ya items of sexuality. Na ndiaro bate kuona kamwaronya kwe kana workmate kiumbe kia murungu giki thongi kiumba gutethia na njira ingi ukona gata kiumbe kia guigia gitandene. Number 2, saitira nito maanto bagatonya into devil worship. Nonto ishoot with an intention ya addiction. And baba inge imbiye to about somebody wa watch pornography a long time. A masturbate mwanka akwa. A young boy masturbating to death. Nonto boku watch into video. You see mbio wakiwa practice makes perfect. Ugeta uti muntu warikia ku watch intobiria arega kuthithia gauntu kau kangi. So wale kuthithia gauntu kau kangi no wo service altars of darkness. Nonto sexually sex yongwa kinya ina marriage or in relationships, it is a covenant. No withdraw wole watch intobiria okathithia masturbation utikumiambe gwire ku gutura ine gwita irita to altars kwe mapepo yeterete and that's why ukethera destiny ya muntu it will succeed kwe mtu donete aromberi mtu Mulungu amura every time murango jukondo kurugukira pornography wa watch Mulungu akagita mubango ju so you can see it is spiritual kwe mapepo yeterete wamberia kuona bakiringaga antu bakiwa endelea nonto uri umo wao as you watch no kokuthukia rujo rwaku so aratu mentionere social media muntu na restrict
mantu jarea kuona
restrict video kuona kinya sites very pure ta Facebook nira twire kuleta ga twititendeu rira tene itareo movie ya chetha kwa ya kaisho ka sex yokora muntu auchokera irite gachokera egachokua na it leads you to evil mono undauga brain rot utaharibu mawazo yako na utaanza kuona ladies wrongly.
All right, nibega sana Pastor Eric. Ngatho cha mwanya ikuona kanya na kwiza na kuaraniria na bautwe ingwitikia aria mutegeri ari uria withiritwo aunikite nkoro thaiji sawa uria withirite mbuga onete taka uturo bwawe butigwita sawa ugutoni uria mtu omba ku make choice na uturo bwawe bukagira buru gauchokeria ngatho cha mwanya kuona kanya mbije you are a very busy pastor, very busy man ejo batere kwetha wikirasine but you chose kwiza na kwaraniria na mutegeri wetu rukirirwa na Arua. Asante sana. Mutegeri eta nambere na kurumira mibango yetu ndani ya Weru TV ngakwendera ntuku njega mbita Maureen Kinya.